Here's a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and you have a black screen. Even though you have a black screen, you know that the tablet is still on. Maybe you can hear notifications coming in or whatnot. And what you can also do to see if it's actually on or not is you can go ahead and plug it in. All right, when you plug it in, you should be able to hear that chime. Okay, now this one here is obviously fixed, but we're going to pretend I have a black screen here, and I'm going to give you guys several options to get you up and running right now at your own home and nothing to do with taking it apart. Okay, so first thing is, if you guys have a case on here or a keyboard or anything, take everything off. Okay, and then the first thing we want to do is we want to force a restart using the 2-key combination here. So we're going to pretend my screen here is black. What we're going to do first is hold the power button and the volume down. Press and hold both buttons. Keep on holding until you see a Samsung logo appear. So we'll do it together. Pretend my screen here is black. Power button, volume down. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Just keep on holding until you see a Samsung logo appear. This will take about 40 seconds. Just keep holding here. Power button, volume down. Still holding. Okay, Samsung logo is about to pop up. Still holding volume down and power button. Come on, where's that Samsung logo? It's coming. There it is. Let go of both buttons. Now just let it boot up and hopefully you are now out of the black screen. If you still have a black screen, then we're going to go to the next possible option. Okay, so you still have a black screen, no problem. So next thing I want you to do is this. Locate your power button, and what I want you to do with the power button, spam it just 4 times, all right? Don't do it 5 times, because if you guys have your SOS emergency enabled, if you click the power button consecutively 5 times, it's going to call emergency services. Like if you're in the US, it'll call like 911. Okay, so we'll just do it 4 times, okay? Power button here. Spam it 4 times, kind of hard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the whole premise behind that, if your power button is jammed or maybe it's stuck or you got lint or Kool-Aid or soda in there, it can cause a black screen of death as well. Okay, anyway, so we just did that 4 times. Now what we're going to do is we're going to plug in the charging cable and we're going to plug it in there and then wait 5 seconds, and then while it is plugged in charging, we're going to do the same thing with the 2-key here. Okay, so again, while it's charging, we're going to click on power button, volume down. Ready, set, go. Keep on holding. Don't worry about what's happening on my screen here. Let's just pretend my screen is totally black here. I'm just holding down the power button and the volume down, waiting for a Samsung logo to appear while it is charging. Again, this takes about 40 seconds or so, so just be patient. I'm still holding here. It's about to boot up. Where's that Samsung logo? Still holding on both buttons here. There it is. Just vibrate it. Go ahead and let go and let it boot up. And hopefully you are now out of a black screen. If not, go on to the next step. Okay, so you still have a black screen, no problem. Now next step here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take it off the charger. Next thing we're going to do is what I call a tap method. Okay, so what I want to do is lay your tablet on your desk. I have like a big soft mouse pad. You may want to put like a towel or something on there. What I want you to do is just put it down like this and use 2 fingers and tap kind of hard all over on the screen and all over in the back. Okay, so we're just going to keep doing this. Now if you're doing this and you hear a little click somewhere, then right away just go ahead and tap that power button and see if your screen is on. Okay, if not, no problem. We're going to continue to tap kind of hard all over here. And the premise behind this is you might have a cable ribbon that's slightly dislodged, and believe it or not, a little tap like that can pop it back into place. Okay, keep on tapping. Sometimes if you're doing this, you may get white lines, you may get half a screen as well. Let's turn it over and do the same thing here on the back, all around the edges too, all around, especially around the camera lens too. If you don't want to dirty that up, you can put a cloth there and kind of go around that. Now, turn it over, hit that power button, and see if your screen is on. If it's still black, no problem. Remember, if it's still black, then use the 2-key combination again. Okay, remember, power button, volume down. Press and hold both buttons. Don't let go until you see a Samsung logo appear, then let go of both. Again, that takes typically like 40 seconds, okay? So try that, and hopefully you are up and running now with a working screen. If not, we're going to go to the next possible option. Okay, so you still have a black screen, no problem. So there's the next step I have for you is what I call the massage method. What we're gonna do is basically massage the screen here with your thumb, and you're gonna press all over and also on the back. There's the same premise with the tapping. You may have a cable ribbon that's slightly disconnected, okay? If you don't want to smudge up your screen, then you can use like a cloth or something, but I'm gonna hold it like this, and I'm gonna press, press, press. Keep on pressing, okay? And again, if you guys hear a little click somewhere, then right away go tap that power button and see if your screen is on, okay? If not, no problem, we're gonna press. Nice massage here, okay? Press kind of hard. Press all over. Same thing on the back here. You wanna go ahead and press, press, press all over, all over, okay? And again, if you hear a little click somewhere, turn it over, tap out that power button and see if your screen is on. If not, no problem. Just keep massaging. Nice hard massage here. Turn it over, tap that power button and see if your screen is on. If it's still black, no problem here. Again, remember, hold down the power button and the volume down. Press and hold at the same time. Don't let go until you see the Samsung logo. Once the Samsung logo appears, let go of both buttons, okay? And hopefully now you have a working screen. If not, we're going to go to the next possible option. So you still have a black screen, no problem. Next method I have for you is called the smack method. So what I want you to do is hold your hand out like this and then smack the back as well as the screen. Same premise behind the tapping and the massage method. You may have a cable that's slightly dislodged, okay? So we're gonna hold your palm out like this. We're gonna grab the tablet and I'll start on the back here and I'll give it a. Also on the bottom of the back. Also on the screen. Top of the screen as well. Turn it over, pop that power button, and hopefully your screen is up and running now. If not, no problem. From here, if it's still black, same thing. Power button, volume down, okay? Wait for it to boot, see the Samsung logo, let go of both buttons, and hopefully you have a working screen. If not, we're gonna go to the next possible fix. Okay, so you still have a black screen, no problem. So this next method I have for you is called the twist method. So what I want you to do is basically grab the tablet like this, and you want to slightly kind of press, okay? So I'm kind of twisting it, okay? I'm pushing this part towards me and this part out. Just a little bit. I mean, you don't want to crack your screen, okay? Just a little bit. And on the sides here, just a little bit. Okay, not too much, okay? Remember, I'm not responsible if you crack your screen. Anyway, from there, tap on that power button, and hopefully your screen is up and running now. If not, no problem. While it's black, do the same thing. Press and hold those two buttons, the power button and volume down. Wait for the Samsung logo to appear, then let go of both buttons, and hopefully now you have a working screen. If not, we're going to go to the next possible fix. Okay, so this is the last method I have for you besides like trying to wipe your cache partition or performing a factory reset. What I want to do is grab your tablet like this. You don't have to have your pen, just take your pen off and take your naked tablet, put that into the freezer where it's nice and cold. Leave it there for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, grab your nice cold tablet, take it out of the freezer, hit that power button, and hopefully your screen is up now. If not, no problem. While the screen is black and it's nice and cold, do the same thing again. Volume down, power button. Press and hold both buttons. Don't let go until you see the Samsung logo appear. Once it appears, let go of both buttons. Now, here's the thing. If you guys tried all of these steps and you still have a black screen, then what I would recommend is trying every single step a second time. No go, try it 3 times. Try every single step again, at least up to 7 times. A lot of times the 7th time is a charm. Other Galaxy tabs, some people said in the comments it took them the 13th try, okay? Anyway, if you guys try to at least 7 times each of these steps, I'm gonna guess at least 70% of you guys will now have a screen that is on. If it worked for you, please give me a thumbs up and comment which step worked for you. If it didn't work for you, give me a thumbs down. We should see at least a 70% thumbs up ratio, okay? Good luck, guys.